Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. I want to share with you something I just got in the mail from one of my favorite aftermarket companies when I'm building semi-trucks. They're in the Czech Republic, CTM Czech Truck Models. Great company to deal with. I've dealt with them for years. They've been around for a long time. Everyone loves them. They have a lot of cool Photoetch stuff, things that you can't get here in the States. But I wanted to share this with you because this came from the Czech Republic, long ways away. I'm in the States. It's packed very, very well. It came in great condition. Let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside. I got the ends cut, got this here cut, and again, CTM Czech Truck Models from the Czech Republic. It's packaged very, very well. Here's our package inside. And this is wrapped very nice. Okay, after getting this thing unwrapped, and it was wrapped very well. Thank you very much, CTM. That's very much appreciated. I'll show you everything I got. Picked up some cruise liner Mac badges. Some Photoetch and rubber hood latches. Some trailer couplings or airlines. Some placard cards. Comes with all the Photoetch. And a project I need to get back on that I started several years ago is the bulldozer. I picked up the Photoetch gauge section cluster for the bulldozer. That bulldozer is probably 80% finished. I need to do lines and add this, and that's about done. I'll show you what else I got here. There's a lot more. What's this? Okay, another project I need to get back on is I started the London bus several years ago. Well, CTM offers, I think they actually offer 3 different sets of Photoetch for this thing. I just ordered one set out of all the 3. The grill and some different things. But you can go on their website and see what all they offer if you're building this kit or want to build it. This is a great kit, by the way, if you can still find it. So I got all the Photoetch for that. Now back to the trucks. Okay, back to the Mack cruise liner. I got all the Photoetch for that. The Chevy Titan truck. All the Photoetch for that. As you can see, there's several trucks in the works here. And the Kenworth. Picked up all the Photoetch for that. These bags are heavy. There's several sheets of Photoetch in all these. Just the way it's packaged, it's only showing one. So you can go on their website and see what all they offer. And I'll post the website and everything for you. Okay, the California hauler kit. Got all the Photoetch for that. Main thing I like on all this Photoetch is, of course, your exhaust shields, your grills. The grills are so important on these things. And the Peterbilt, your artillery kit, or the Breville kit. Got all the Photoetch for that. And I think that's, yep, the new International Transtar. All all the Photoetch for that. This is pretty hot seller here. And I just did a video from Jerry Reeder on decals I got for that TransStar kit. He offers aftermarket colored stripes and everything for that. And the white Freightliner. I mean, there's gobs of Photoetch in there. There's tons of sheets of Photoetch in that. That is it. Again, very well packaged. Thank you very much, CTM. You guys are the best. Highly, highly, highly recommended. Check them out. Let me know down below if you've ever dealt with them or if you plan on buying some stuff. I'll be buying again someday, but not for a while because, as you can see, I'm pretty stocked. So we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.